Hello there everyone. In this video we'll see how to freeze some rows or columns in your spreadsheet, the Google Sheets. So let's get started. Now this is a sample data sheet in which you'll see four columns which are named as serial number, name, particulars and price. And also you'll see some rows up to the 50th row. I have filled some data in this table. So we will be working on this worksheet. This is just a rough sample worksheet which I have just entered the data just randomly. So first of all, if you want to freeze the upper row, the full row until the end of the sheet, so you have to select the cells in which you have entered some content. So here I have selected the four cells. These are columns, right? So I have selected these four cells and now I'll go to the view option. In this option you'll see a feature called freeze, and here you will see what to freeze, rows or columns. For now we will freeze the row. So I'm just freezing one row, so I'll select that. And now your first row is freezed. The selected row which you have selected, right, that row is freezed. And you go anywhere in the data sheet, the row will be as it is on the topmost part of your spreadsheet. Now if you want to also freeze the first column or else the first cell of every row, then you have to select that particular thing. For example, up till here, and you have to go to the view option, the freeze option, and go to the column section, first column, sorry, one column. So now you have freezed one row and one column, the selected cells. Now you go anywhere in the data sheet, the first column will be as it is, and if you go at the bottom, the above row which you have freezed will remain as it is. Now you enter any data where you want to and refer to the titles or the fields which you have entered at the topmost part of your data sheet. So in this way you can freeze these cells or rows and columns. Now once you have freezed these cells, what about unfreezing the same? So you have to again go to the view option, and you have already freezed the one row and one column, right? So you have to click again on that same option and the freeze thing will be removed. Sorry, you have to select this thing and go to the view option, freeze no rows. You have to select the no row option, and again go to the view option, go to the freeze and no columns. So this is freeze and unfreezing of particular row or column which you want to freeze for referring to the titles or some data or particular data while entering your other content in the spreadsheet. So that's it guys from this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.